We are looking at a 1960 Triumph TR3A project vehicle. Very nice project for someone. The doors are placed just for looks. They're not attached to the car currently with bolts. You can see it is primarily complete. There's going to be things you'll need, but it does come with a lot of spare parts. Take a look at the pictures for the details of those parts. It's got the entire dash. Take a look at those gauges and steering wheel. Very cool project. Give us a call at 507-386-1726 with questions. Check us out at uniqueclassiccars.com. It's a good project for somebody. Let's take a look in the trunk. See if we can take a little peek under the hood. The hood is also loosely attached currently. There you can see that engine. Nice little Triumph project. Don't see too many of these around. Again, check us out at uniqueclassiccars.com.